If you want to set up the bedtime mode on Google Pixel 10a, first of all we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, search for the Modes option, and then in these settings you can find the bedtime. So we can tap over here and we have the Setup Bedtime button. Click on it and then we should be able to find the routine. So automatically our phone creates the automatic bedtime mode. You can adjust when it should start and when it should end. You can also choose days of the week during which it should be enabled. And of course, besides that, we have some additional options that you can go through. You can allow certain permissions, and of course, once you're ready, you can use the turn on button in here and you can turn off quite easily. You can also pause the bedtime mode for like half a minute, sorry, not half a minute, for half an hour actually. And also the bedtime mode can be accessed through quick settings or the control center. In here, if you tap on the modes, you should be able to find the bedtime option, so you can turn it on or turn it off. And if the modes icon is actually the bed over here, then you can just tap on the icon to quickly turn on or turn off the bedtime mode. Leave a like and subscribe.